Bonjour les garçons. Today we are going to look at another grammatical aspect of the French language, and this time we are going to focus on comparatifs, les comparatifs. So comparatifs are just words you use to compare things or people. In English you will use more, less, as. In French you are going to use the following words right here. Plus, plus, moins, aussi, autant. And depending on what you want to say, you are going to just mix them with que, de, and here we go. So today we are going to be comparing two NBA players that you are familiar with, I think. LeBron James from the Cavs and Stephen Curry from the Warriors. Let's start right away with LeBron. LeBron is plus athletic. LeBron is more athletic. This is as simple as that, guys. This is how you compare. Plus meaning more in French, and you use with an adjective. LeBron est plus athlétique. Another one? Okay. Steph. Steph est moins populaire. Is that true? Steph is less popular. I don't know, but this is another example. Okay, so very simple, right? Just as in English, the structure is subject, verb, more or less, and then your adjective. LeBron est plus athlétique. Steph est moins populaire. Let's pretend you just want to use a verb. Well, it works. Let's remove those and use verbs instead. So for LeBron dunk, because LeBron dunks a lot, right? LeBron dunk plus. LeBron dunk plus. Whereas Steph shoots, tire. Steph tire plus. And do you see what happens when you use that with a verb? Dunks more, shoots more. We are going to pronounce the S. So LeBron dunk plus, Steph tire plus. But earlier, remember what happened with est? LeBron est plus athlétique. Stephen est plus technique. The S sound is gone. That's the first way you use comparative in French. Now, what happens when you want to compare two people? Well, it's very simple. Let's put those adjectives back here. And let me put my verbs right here. I'm going to compare LeBron and Steph. LeBron, I think, is more athletic, right? So, than Steph. Is more athletic than Steph. So, LeBron est plus athlétique, like we had earlier, Steph. But we missed something. In English, we would say than Steph, right? In French, we are going to use que. Okay? And here you have it. LeBron est plus athlétique que Steph. LeBron is more athletic than Steph. This is how you say that. We can change. I can say Steph est plus technique que LeBron, right? I can say Steph est, I can use moins, why not? Steph est moins athlétique que LeBron. It works, right? Steph is less athletic than LeBron. So this is how you say more than or less than. Just add that little que and use that thing you want to compare with at the end. Now, we need to take a look at two more things when comparing in French. And those two more things are aussi and autant. So aussi and autant is to compare similar skills, like similarities. When people are, they have like the same amount of things, or they have the same, same height, you are going to use aussi and autant. Let me give you one simple example. So I think that both players are very popular, right? I even think that, one is as popular as the other. So in French, Steph est aussi populaire que LeBron. Now, if you disagree, guys, I'm sorry, I cannot do anything about that, but all I can say is that this is how you say it in French. Steph is as popular as LeBron. So you use aussi que for as. And let me show you one last thing. So what is the difference? As you can see here, aussi we use for similarity, right? Autant we also use for similarity. So what is the difference? Well, the difference is that if you want to use a noun, so by this I mean if you want to compare quantity and not quality, right? If you want to compare quantity, you need to use autant. You cannot use aussi. Let me show you. So let's we compare the muscles. And LeBron has way more muscles than Steph. And we need to use because we are talking about has, right? Oh, yeah, he has way more. So, sorry, I'm looking for something similar. So let's say number of fans. Yes, better. LeBron a autant que has to go. Okay? Fan. Oh, sorry, Curry has to stay here because I am comparing with Steph. LeBron a autant fan que Steph. But something is missing because when I use autant, I need to use that de right here. So LeBron a autant de fans que Steph. This would be LeBron has as many fans as Steph. So autant de means as many, and aussi simply means as. Okay, and I will stop right here. I hope it was clear enough. Just think of it as an introduction to comparative, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask in class. Okay, thank you very much.